Hi everyone, welcome back. So we're gonna get back to our dashboard. So as you see, we left it here where we wanted to decide a visualization on the country, and I said we're gonna do that later. So okay, let's move on to some other data that we can show. So the other one was segments, like different like channel partners, enterprise, government, mid-market, small businesses. So I want to see like how the government, which products government owned, how many units were sold. Let's try to do something like that. So whenever there are like three columns or say three factors that you want to see, it's always better to use like a clustered graph or a stacked bar graph. Let's say I'm going to use this. So let's put segments, and we wanted it with products. So I'm going to put that as a legend, and let's see how many units were sold. So put that here. Okay, that gives us a really good like estimate of government had like these products and these many units were sold. I think that's a really good visualization. Let's just see how we can use it with a stack column chart. So you can just do that by clicking on the other visualization. I think this one is good as well. Again, I think that the color here are a little bit bright. It goes directly into my eye. So I might change the color or just change the theme at all. So okay, I think I'm going to keep this for now, and we'll see what other data that we can get and go through that. So let's make some small changes here. So let's go with the legend. So I think I'm going to specify it in the header that we're going to use products. So I'm just going to remove the legend title. Also, I would like to center the legend. So just go here, the top center. Let's next thing I want to do is with title. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say units sold via segment and products. No, by segment. Sorry, that spelling is wrong as well. Okay. Next thing I want to do is like I want to use the same like font everywhere. So GUI. Next one, I want to decrease heading size, put it in the center. I want to change the color behind it. And maybe I'll use the same one. So next what you can do is give it a border if you want. If not, that's good as well. There's also an option to like shadow, provide a shadow on it. Sometimes it looks good, sometimes it takes like the attention away from whole dashboard. So it depends on person to person how they want to do it. So do that in the effects, like do you want a visual border or you want a shadow. I mean, shadow for the starting looks cool, but if you provide it to every visualization, I don't think it's good. So I'm just going to remove it for now. See, that's one of the visualizations we have. Now the next one I want to use is how much was the profit. So, and I think I want to show it by product, like which product has the most profit. So that would be good. And let's see how the date is divided. Okay, it's from September to December 14. So we have quite a variety of dates. So how about we do a date chart and we'll show like which product has the most profit at which time. One, put a date on it. So whenever you select the date column, it divides the data into four parts, which you can like go drop down through clicking on this icon. Let's see how the data looks here. If not, there's an option to go into date format. That's how we saw the date back at the data here. But I'm going to keep it in the date hierarchy for now. Then we want profit, so I'm going to have profit. Okay, that's good. Let's see if I do products. Clustered is making it too compact. Let's go for stacked. I need to widen it up. Okay, I think that's too complicated. How about we just do it by the month? I wanted to do it by the day. Okay. I'll still say it. I don't think it's showing me the right data that I want to see. Okay, I have another idea. How about I remove the products? Don't just use the stack column chart. I'll use the stack and line column chart. I will add the profit as line and say the sales as y-axis. So it shows me how much the sale was there and how much the profit I was making, or how much the profit I was making from it. So I think that's pretty good. How about, and now I'm more intrigued, like what other thing can I show into this data? So let's again come to the products. How does it look if I do it? That look good. What about cluster chart? I think it's a little bit difficult to make sense of this data at all. I think it was looking better without the products here. I think this looks good. Again, I don't like the color here. This one I'm just gonna change it right now. Not here. Okay, how about I just go with the theme change? Let's go ahead. Okay, I'm gonna use executive since I'm most familiar with that one. Okay. Not the right color. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back and try to change the color for all that, set up a header, but I think this one really shows a good data. So I have something here that would be really useful, like how much profit did it increase, did it not, compared to sales. Okay. So we have shown how much profit compared to sales. Let's maybe go with the discount. And here what I'm interested in, was government giving more discount, or was like small businesses giving more discount? So I want something related to that. Let's see. How can we put it? Maybe just this one for now. Let's see. So we wanted segments and we wanted the discount amounts. Oh, it seems like I was wrong. Like the government is giving the most discount, where the channel partners are giving the least discount. So this is the kind of things that you know, you don't come to know like, without seeing it. So what I'll do is I'll add a discount band. Okay, so government was giving a really high discount. It's low, medium. It says none, but I just saw that here. Government Germany none. So that's a little bit like doesn't make sense for me. Oh, either it's too small. Since we just seen the discount, it's not going to show up because the discount button is empty and none makes sense. So okay, comment is giving a discount, just we can't see the none because whenever there's going to be this column is going to be empty. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, since I just found this out, so let's clear on it. I want none to be there, but this time I want it compared with the sales as well. I'm going to go to the previous graph. I will that one, and also maybe put the discounts on the y-axis. Adds the sale. Okay, this is oh okay. So what happens is in these ones we have two different y-axis. Let's like not do that. It says scanning y-axis is off, but it's not. Like obviously what? Oh. Okay. Okay. So now we can see. But again, the problem what I am seeing is I wanted like divided on the discount band how much sales and how much discount was there. So what I'm going to do is maybe just select one of the discount band and see how much discount comparatively. So the discount is of nearly 2 million on 16 million. On 13 million, there was 1.8. Okay, what if I go for the low? Oh, that's pretty bad. Yeah, that makes sense. So what if I change the format to, do you think it will give me a better idea? I don't think so. So now what I'm thinking is I want this information, but in a little bit more detailed. I want the line axis to go like up down here as well, not just give me the straight. So what I can do is maybe just take one segment at a time. But that's not going to, I mean, maybe one discount band at a time. So, okay. So what I've decided to do is create 4 of these. You know what? We're going to create a new page for this one. So what you can do is you click on the plus sign here. Let's bring these graphs on the other side. X. We're going to bring them back. For now, let's do this. Right. So what I did is I filtered this one for high, and let's do this one for low. And this one goes for medium. So as you can see, there's a lot of like padding. So let's get rid of that. Okay. I'm gonna put one discount band. I don't want like one of them, so I'm gonna get rid of legends as well. Okay, that's good. So what I'm gonna do for that is stick that with this. Okay, so maybe we get back from here on the next video. Thanks guys, and we'll put this into a good format, create a legends for it, make it look good. Thanks guys.